you ever go, don't you ever go, darling, 'cause you're all that I know, you're all that I know. Why did you change your mind?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi if you're new. If you are new, I'd love it if you guys hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. We're getting so close to 10,000 subscribers, which I'm so beyond excited about. Like, it's so unbelievable, but you guys are seriously so amazing. So thank you so much for subscribing and supporting me and following me along. Anyways, today's video is going to be all about room decor. I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 fun, simple, easy, and affordable room decor items. A lot of my room is all DIY projects, and I'm super excited to share these with you guys. They're super fun, super colorful, and again, very inexpensive. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you do, and comment down below which one's your favorite, or if you've done any of these projects before. Again, this is my first ever DIY room decor video, so let me know if you like them. If you want to see more of them, be sure to let me know as well. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's just get into it.
I just wanna take it slow. Let me cruise and
For this super preppy and inexpensive DIY, all you're going to need is an old Lilly Pulitzer agenda, Mod Podge, a paintbrush, scissors, and a full-length mirror. I got this one for around $5. They can be very inexpensive. First, you will need to flip through your agenda and rip out any super colorful pages. I personally love the patterned ones, and the more old Lilly Pulitzer agendas you have, the more prints you'll have. After I ripped out all of the pages, I cut them into little squares that would fit onto the border of the mirror. They don't all have to be the perfect same size, just large enough to cover the edge of your mirror. You will want to cut the amount that you think is appropriate for the size of your mirror, and once you have all of your little colorful squares cut out, it's time to glue them onto the mirror. Mod Podge is a lot like glue. I poured it into my palette, and a plate will work just as fine if that's what you have, and painted the glue onto the back of the colorful square and then wrapped it onto the mirror's edge. It's super easy once you get the hang of it. You just have to keep practicing, and trust me, you have plenty of time to do so because your mirror is going to take a while. It took me around an hour and a half to complete this mirror, so it's not painfully long. It's a lot of fun. Just put some YouTube videos on or some music and have a good time. And it's super easy. And then all you're going to do is repeat the process over and over again until your whole mirror's edge is covered, and then you're going to let it dry. For this super cute and girly DIY, all you are going to need are some fake flowers. I picked out some colorful daisies. I think they're so perfect for spring and summer. A hot glue gun, glue sticks, scissors, and that is it. So you're first going to start off by pulling the flowers out of the stems. This is surprisingly super easy. Of course, you can use scissors if you need to, if you're struggling. You will use as many flowers as you will need to cover your frame. It just depends on how big or little your frame is. I got this super cute sparkle quote from Hobby Lobby. It was only $18. And I absolutely love it. All you have to do next is glue the flowers on with hot glue, but be super careful because the glue is really, really hot. I just spaced the flowers out the first time as much as I thought I needed to, just to be sure of how many flowers I would use, and just I didn't want to use all my flowers all at once. I did put the glue onto the frame first, and then I would press the flower into the glue. I found this to be the easiest and most efficient way to do it. I kept adding more flowers until I thought I was completely done. I can't wait to hang it up. It's the perfect splash of color for the summer. I added some white flowers, and I just think it's so stinking cute. For our final DIY, all you're going to need are some old Lilly Pulitzer agendas, some scissors, a Vineyard Vines sticker, and a pen or pencil. This DIY is seriously so easy and so much fun. First, you're going to flip through your agenda until you find a page with a print big enough to fit your Vineyard Vines whale sticker on it completely. I personally feel like the monthly cover spreads are the best for this. You're going to place your Vineyard Vines whale sticker onto the page and trace an outline onto the agenda page with your pen or pencil. Then remove your sticker. I ripped the page out. I thought it made it easier to cut. All you have to do next is cut the whale out with scissors and you're done. I think they are so much fun to hang on my wall, and I just use a piece of scotch tape to hang them up, and it looks so stinking adorable.
Baby, it hits so hard, I'm holding on to my chest. Maybe you
So thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you guys haven't. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below which item's your favorite because I'd love to know, and I do respond to all my comments. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome, and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys!